How to access Laurentian Wealth Management Service. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you access Laurentian Wealth Management Service. So let's get started. First, as you have to open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in this source field, you'll have to search for Laurentian Wealth Management Service. After you search for that, you can find the official site like private banking or personal banking. Simply tap on laurentianbank.ca. After that, from the section, if you want to just access to Laurentian Wealth Management Service, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option Talk to an Advisor. You can also call or email to this number. Like here is the provided number. If you want to just email, simply tap on Talk to an Advisor. Now from your choose the interface like Gmail or Mail. After that, you will be able to send a message to management service, and from there you can easily get an advisor. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.